So who are you cosplaying today?
I am cosplaying Vash the Stampede from Trigun.
From Trigun. Did you make this outfit, or did you buy it, or was it a combination?
So parts of it were things I already had in my closet. So like the pants and the boots are store-bought. The holster, despite it falling apart, is handmade. We're going to ignore that though.
Nice.
My friend is the one that 3D printed the gun for me. I'm the one that painted it and slapped it together at 3 in the morning.
No, that's nice.
Belt from my boyfriend's closet. This jacket I did finish Saturday in my hotel room, but we're gonna also ignore that part. Arm is totally handmade. It is spandex covered EVA foam.
Nice.
And then like the knuckles are 3D printed. I'm missing my finger bits.
So it's pretty light.
Yeah,
It's super light.
thankfully, and holds up with like water and things like that. Not too bad.
Well, it's good right now because it's raining.
I know, right?
Still raining.
Exactly.
So how long did it take you to make your whole outfit?
Top to bottom, trying to think. The jacket alone took me about 2 weeks, just on and off of work. The wig was 10 hours of combined work, and then the arm was probably about 2 days. So I think in total a little under a month if I had to put like breaks into everything.
That's not bad. How many times will you use this particular cosplay?
I'm hoping for at least the next few years. I loved Trigun, and so much love went into this cosplay. I'd hate to see it go.
Wait, did we talk about the glasses?
We did not. These I just bought off of AliExpress because I do not have access to an acrylic cutter, unfortunately.
Yeah, those are dope. I mean, so for a month to put it together for years worth of usage is not bad. That's not bad at all.
No.
How long have you been cosplaying?
I've been cosplaying since 2014.
Okay.
So I've been in the game for a little bit and definitely learned a thing or two in my time.
So how many cons have you been to roughly? Just a guesstimate.
Oh my. If I had to guess, at least 20 to 25. I used to only go to one every year, but for the last couple of years, I've been attending 2, 3, 4. I'm up to, I think, 5 cons a year now.
And you cosplay every time you go?
I do, yes.
Okay. All right, last question. It's the most important question. Okay. What advice do you have to people who want to get into cosplaying?
I think the biggest thing is social media is a huge pressure. I think with the rise of TikTok and Instagram, everything's kind of become a beauty contest. If you are not doing your cosplays for you, I think that defeats the purpose of cosplay. Cosplay who you love. I know it's really corny, but that's the only way you're going to enjoy it and do things, within your skill set, within your budget. Don't push yourself too far because it's supposed to be fun. It's a hobby at the end of the day.
Just have fun and be you.
Yeah, have fun and be you.
All right, that's all we have for you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.